Welcome back to Xarvio Field Manager. I'm Olivia, and today in this quick training, I'll go over how to utilize Xarvio SeedSelect. Xarvio SeedSelect matches Xitavo soybean varieties to your fields by evaluating your field's characteristics, such as soil type, slope, and historical data, alongside with the growth characteristics of the Xitavo soybean variety. It will also recommend the ideal planting density. Thousands of internal BASF trials of Xitavo soybeans fed our models to recommend the best variety for your fields. Let's get started. In the cross-farm dashboard, navigate to the top left-hand menu and click to expand. Select the farm you wish to acquire SeedSelect recommendations from. You can either select a single field or multiple fields. Next, click the three dots next to Add Observation. Choose Assign Crop and select Soybean. Now we are in the Crop Assignment menu. In the top right-hand corner, select Get Recommendations. We can input the relative maturity ranges for all of your fields by typing the range in the top two boxes. Or we can type the relative maturity range for each individual field. Now we can click Get Recommendations. It usually takes Xarvio SeedSelect 1 to 2 minutes to calculate your variety, but it may take up to 2 minutes per field. Once your recommendations are loaded, select the drop-down menu for each of your fields. The top fitting varieties for your fields will be listed in rank order. If you select a field, this will highlight the acres within your field that are in a low, mid, and high VPI environment. Use the color key to understand. Select the variety for each of your fields. Once you are done, click the X in the top right to save your choices. Now we can continue to assign this crop. Select your planting date and expected yield. Click Continue. Now select the past crop and the tillage system. Click Save. We've now added a crop season to our field through Xarvio SeedSelect. From this overview menu, we can filter by variety. But let's go ahead and pop back to all fields under Status. If you want to get a seeding script for the fields we receive SeedSelect recommendations from, click Add Task and choose Seeding. Select the box next to Soybean to choose all fields or select individual fields. Click Continue. When you first load into the Add Seeding Task menu, we will see that this is the automatic population generated through SeedSelect for this variety. You can choose between a static rate and a variable rate seeding type. The variable rate will automatically populate to match the population with the variety in subfield growing environment. While if you select static, there will be an even population across your fields. We can also select between manual or recommended to change the seeding rate distribution or population. Manual allows you to edit the density from recommended. If we move our cursor closer to our field, we'll click the Edit Map button. From here, we can take a deeper look at the source map. We can see where the planting density will be on your field. Click the arrow in the top left-hand corner to click back to the seeding task. Click Continue. In the review page, we can review the maps from each field, assign this task within an organization, or add comments. Hovering over Show Seeds in Bag will show the amount of seeds in each bag of Xitavo soybeans and the number of bags you will need to purchase. Click Save Task and your seeding task has now been created. To send your seeding task to your planter, click Tasks, select your seeding task, and click Export. You have the option to send the map to Xarvio Connect, John Deere Operations Center, AFS Connect, MyPLM Connect, or S-Fleet. Or you can download your map as a PDF. If you need to download your file in a different format, you can click Seeding Map and choose a variety of formats to export your seeding map.